QuickBooks versus HoneyBook. Choosing the right business management software can completely change how you streamline your operations without the hassle of inefficient tools. QuickBooks focuses on accounting and finance, while HoneyBook centers on client management and project workflows. QuickBooks and HoneyBook serve different business needs. QuickBooks is primarily an accounting software designed to handle finances and bookkeeping, whereas HoneyBook offers an all-in-one platform for managing clients, projects, and contracts. The core difference lies in finance versus client workflow focus. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software developed to simplify bookkeeping for small to medium businesses. It automates invoicing, tracks expenses, manages payroll, and generates detailed financial reports. Users connect their bank accounts and credit cards for real-time transaction tracking, which helps maintain accurate records. QuickBooks excels in tax preparation support and integrates with numerous third-party apps for enhanced functionality. Its intuitive dashboard offers clear insights into cash flow and profitability. However, it may feel complex for users without an accounting background and focuses less on client communication or project management. QuickBooks is ideal for businesses prioritizing financial management and compliance, such as freelancers, retailers, and service providers who need detailed accounting tools. HoneyBook is a client and project management platform tailored for creative entrepreneurs and small businesses. It streamlines workflows by combining client communication, contract signing, invoicing, and payment processing into one interface. HoneyBook offers customizable templates for proposals, contracts, and emails, making client interactions smooth and professional. Its calendar and task management features help keep projects on schedule, while automated reminders reduce manual follow-ups. Unlike QuickBooks, HoneyBook's accounting features are basic, focusing more on managing client relationships and project milestones. It is best suited for freelancers, consultants, and creative professionals who need an easy-to-use system to organize clients and projects without deep accounting needs. QuickBooks and HoneyBook serve distinct business functions with some overlap in invoicing and payments. QuickBooks is stronger in detailed financial tracking, tax management, and accounting integrations, making it the go-to for businesses focused on financial accuracy and compliance. HoneyBook shines in managing client relationships and project workflows, offering tools for proposals, contracts, and communication that QuickBooks lacks. For example, a freelance graphic designer might prefer HoneyBook for its client interaction features, while a retail business would benefit more from QuickBooks' financial controls. The trade-off is between comprehensive accounting versus streamlined client and project management. Choosing depends on whether your priority is managing finances or client projects. QuickBooks is recommended for businesses needing robust accounting, detailed financial reports, and tax support, especially those with complex bookkeeping requirements. HoneyBook is ideal for creative professionals and service providers seeking an all-in-one client and project management solution with simple invoicing. Select HoneyBook if your focus is on managing workflows and client communication rather than deep accounting. Both tools excel when matched to your specific business needs.